BBC One.
So Partridge is back. We're talking about clothes at the moment, fast fashion, and whether people are prepared to pay 5% more for their clothes. And what about this 1 penny on every garment to make sure that your clothes are properly recycled? Lauren is in Yorkshire. Hello, Lauren. You've stopped buying new clothes altogether then?
Pretty much, yeah. So a couple of years ago, I got involved with the Leeds Community Clothes Exchange, which is a monthly event for people to swap clothes that they no longer want. And it sort of snowballed from there, really. And I really thought about, did I need new clothes? What was I doing? You know, how was I using these items? And yeah, I made a commitment back in 2016 to spend a whole year of not buying anything new.
Right. So do you mind me asking, Lauren, do you ever look scruffy?
I don't even did I look scruffy.
I'm sure there are occasions where I do look a bit scruffy, but no, I think it's absolutely possible to look stylish and take pride in your appearance whilst wearing second-hand clothing.
So you never crave a new dress, new outfit?
I mean, I do, but I try to find those new items second-hand. So as long as it's new to me, you still get that new feeling. So it could be from eBay, it could be from a charity shop, it could be a swap with a friend or through an event like the Clothes Exchange.
Right. When was the last time you bought a new item of clothing?
I do have to confess, I did buy an item last month, but it was with a gift voucher I'd received for Christmas, so I'm counting that one as sort of okay.
Oh, I see. So that doesn't count.
But I think as long as, if you are buying things new, I think it's making a commitment to wear them over and over again. The ideal is to wear them 30 times. So then you're making sure that it's not something that you wear once and then discard. It's getting that value out.
Do you mind me if I ask about underwear, though? I mean, surely you're buying new underwear, yeah?
Yes, that is the one thing where I think you have to draw the line is underwear, which I do buy that new. But I think for most other items, whether it's shoes or outerwear, you can definitely get those second hand.
But the shoes will be scuffed, won't they? So, well, maybe no. That's only fellas, isn't it, really, that scuff their shoes?
Not necessarily. I think, I'm actually wearing a pair of shoes today that I got second-hand, and they look like they've never been worn, to be honest with you. So I think that it's all about, obviously there will be some second-hand items that do look like they've been through the wars, but you can definitely find stuff that is still of a really high quality.
All right, Lauren. An interesting idea. Thank you very much. That's Lauren in Yorkshire, then, who simply doesn't buy anything new.